Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how can I unlock Facebook account. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. In order to actually do this, what you can do in this case is to head over right here to our actual Facebook. So let's head over right here to our Facebook, and then you can see in here your home page. What you can do is you can head over and click on this icon right here, or you can also click on your profile icon, or you can also click on these three lines. So there's actually a lot of things that you can do in this case. So I'll try to click on it, and as you can see, here's my actual page. So what I can do is I can see that I have unlocked my profile. In order to unlock it, click on these three dots right here. Then you can see in here these options for unlock profile. So click on it, click on this see your profile, and then as you can see, it's now locked. So let's try to unlock it using this option. And then click on this unlock your profile, and then once you have done that, as you can see, the profile has been unlocked. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.